Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the card amount and region. Play cards are region locked, so make sure it matches the Google account country. Next, sign into the Google account you plan to use with Android apps. This is critical because credit links to that account. Once signed in, open Play. Google.com/redeem on a browser on your iPhone or install the Google Play app if available. Now enter the card code carefully. Typing errors are the most common problem at this stage. After entering the code, you'll see an option to add funds to your Google Play balance. Choose that so you can use it later on any device tied to this account. You can also purchase specific Android apps or content immediately if you prefer. If you plan to use apps on another device, make sure Family Library or payment methods are set up. This helps share purchases or let you buy on a friend's Android while keeping control. Once done, check your Google Play balance to confirm success. You can't run native Android APKs on iPhone, so use the Play balance for web purchases, subscriptions, or services that offer iOS apps tied to the same account. If you need an Android app, install it on an Android device linked to the same Google account. That preserves purchases. If redemption fails, double-check the card region, ensure you're signed into the correct Google account, and retype the code slowly. Mistakes are common. If problems persist, contact Google Play support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.